I'm surprised a lot of people came out. Cedar Rapids isn't generally a destination people think about.
And really, that should change. The NGPA Wings Over Iowa Fly-In was the cap to a weekend of pride festivities in a city that is a perfect destination. Local aviation business owners are glad to have pilots in from around the country.
Overwhelming in a good way to have the NGPA here especially, but also that the Eastern Iowa Airport is having a general aviation event when most people think of the airport as more of the commercial service airport.
And the locals built the ramp.
It's always cool to see planes, especially the smaller single prop ones, more of an entry level way to get people into things. And
Garrett Hyde and Shannon Keel share the dream of flight.
One of our life goals is to get our private pilot's license. So coming out here and seeing what the fly-ins are like is right here in the community is a great.
And the event connected folks like Shannon and Garrett with places that can help them. Western Michigan University was one of several schools on hand to help future pilots take the next step.
It's nice to inspire some kids. I saw some kids getting airplanes. It was a lot of fun.
It's nice to see people from the local Cedar Rapids community here as well, all out experiencing airplanes maybe for the first time.
And NGPA leadership sees the event as a win.
We had over 600 people from the local community show up here today, over 20 aircraft on display, food truck vendors, live band, educational sessions being put on.
I love seeing all the planes because obviously our dream is to own one someday, so seeing everything that's out there and watching them all fly out is so incredible. And it being a pride event too here in Iowa is incredible.
In Cedar Rapids, Sierra Harrop, AOPA pilot.